Hi everyone and welcome to Module 1, Class 1.1, Introducing Yourself in a Professional Context. In this class, we're going to learn how to present ourselves in English in a professional way. You can pause the video when you need. Let's get started. By the end of this class, you'll be able to understand useful phrases for introducing yourself, build your own introduction step by step, practice, and get ready to present it with confidence. Let's go. Here are some common phrases we use when we introduce ourselves in a work setting. You can say, "Good morning, my name is," your name. "I work as a," your position at company name. "I've been with the company for X years or months." "My role involves," brief description of what you do. Keep it short, clear, and to the point. Pause the video for some minutes to read it. Let's see an example together. "Good morning. My name is Florencia. I work as a teacher at English Needs. I've been with the company for more than 3 years. My role involves designing and teaching classes." Pause the video for some minutes to read it. Let's start building your own intro. Step 1 is simple. Just say hello and your name. For example, "Good morning. My name is," your name. If it's a casual meeting, this means a more informal meeting. You can say hi or hello. Pause the video for some minutes to read it. Step 2 is your job title and the company you work for. Example, "I work as a marketing manager at XYZ company." Here are some examples of job titles in English. You can also check the PDF with more titles and their translations if you need help. Step 3. Now let's add how long you've been working there. Example, "I've been with the company for 2 years. Step 4. And finally, let's explain what you do. "My role involves managing social media and creating content." Other useful phrases are coordinating projects, leading a team, handling client communication, and so on. You'll find more in the PDF we prepared. Now it's your turn. Use the template and write your own introduction in your notebook or on your computer. Take your time. This will help you later when it's time to speak. Quick grammar tip. Use a or an depending on the first sound of the job title. If it starts with a vowel sound, use an. Examples, an engineer, an analyst. If it starts with a consonant sound, use a. Examples, a project manager, a doctor. Let's recap. An engineer, an analyst, a doctor, a project manager. Pay attention to sound, not just the first letter. Now that you've written your intro, let's say it out loud. Follow the same structure. Number 1, greeting plus name. Number 2, job plus company. Number 3, time at the company. Number 4, responsibilities. This will help you sound more fluent and natural. Here's a full example. "Good morning, my name is Lucia. I work as an engineer at TechNow. I've been with the company for 3 years. My role involves developing and testing new software tools." Now let's do yours. Pause the video for some minutes to prepare your text. Here's how to practice. Say your introduction 2 to 3 times. Record yourself on your phone. Practice with a classmate, friend, or in front of the mirror. Keep it under 30 seconds. The more you practice, the more natural it will feel. Great job! That's the end of Class 1.1. You have your own professional introduction ready. In the next class, we'll dive into professional greetings and small talk. See you in Class 1.2.